So I'm here in a neighborhood temple. So my cousin brought me here. So this is one of those things that if you're not a local, more than likely you will probably not know that this exists. And already it looks different. So let me show you some of this temple. This is my first time being here, so it's also brand new to me. So check this out. This is like clear glass. There's a monk and wow, that is a cool design. So you have to take off your shoes here before you go in, so no shoes. Check this out. Wow. So you come pray over here. Honestly, I don't know what this represents, but here's this over here. So go in here to pray over here and give blessings and offerings right there. Okay, so that is the first part right when we came in. We'll go check the rest of this. That was already different because I think that's the first one that I've seen that is a clear glass box. And here we have this waterfall, small miniature waterfall. Got some smoke effects right there from the smoke machine. Check it out, that is beautiful. Obviously this is all not natural. It looks really, really cool. And then you have this serene area here that you can walk through. So check this out. And this is definitely not a normal temple. I've not seen one designed like this. It kind of feels like a combination of Lao and Japanese and Chinese all together from what I could tell right now. Oh wow. Look at this. It's really peaceful here. As you can see there. I think the monks stay here. Kuba Kanon you people. Oh okay, yeah, so my cousin's telling me that this is where the monks stay. Man, that's really awesome stay. Then you have this right here. This is where you park. There's a cafe right here, so this is definitely a place that a lot of people come to. So here it is, and people are here to pray. Wow. Wow, look at that right there. Check this out. Whoa, that looks cool. There's like umbrellas here. This is wow. This has different feelings right here. It's like it's Chinese, and also this reminds me of a place in Malaysia as well. Look at this. Wow. And that part over there, they're still building or fixing. And then over here, check this out. Whoa. This is the back of it, by the way. And we have these ornaments and stuff over here with dragons. And then, oh, it is beautiful. Here's the Buddha. That's Buddy. Right here. Wow. And you could go up here and pray as well. Oh man, that is awesome. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Oh, this looks amazing. Look at this. Oh. And then there's fish down here. A lot of koi fish. Oh, and this is where people are playing. Right here. Over there. This. Oh man, this is cool. I kind of feel like I'm in a amusement park, or not amusement park, but just like those parks where you see a lot of fake mountains and stuff. Yeah, I guess it is an amusement park or a theme park. So that's pretty much the entire temple. Besides the things we've seen over there, this is really, really different from other temples that I've seen. And once again, this is one of those local temples where, unless you're a local or you know somebody who lives here, it'd be really hard for you to find this place or even know that it exists. And so if you are coming to Laos and you either know somebody here or maybe you could get a tour guide, you could come check out some of these temples right here. Check it out. My cousin told me that this place is called Wat Palelao, and yeah, it is definitely a different experience if you're used to seeing most of the temples in Vientiane. This is actually kind of outside of Vientiane. It still is Vientiane, and like I said, this is more of a locals temple, but it's really, really cool to see something like this that is different. And yeah, it's really cool, really peaceful. And here's like the front of the temple over here. So this is cool. There's a little pond area over here. So check that out. So what I've noticed is a lot of these newer temples, they actually are first very colorful, but it also has more of a mixture of like Chinese and Indian influences. Like this one right here, it kind of reminds me of a pagoda, and a lot of I would say the gods or the deities or whatever the case is, it reminds me of more of the Indian influences. And the thing is, Buddhism did originate in India, so it kind of makes sense. So this is really, really a nice, beautiful temple within this neighborhood.